Are you recording? I lost an ant. I'm trying to find it. I feel like a monkey. Where are you, you little bastard? Don't say that, bird kids.
The ant was on me.
Oh my god! There was a huge spider in her bathtub. It was like that big.
And she wouldn't let me drown it.
I found an ant! Ant! Come back. I love you.
Yeah, she would let me drown it.
No, that's not the same ant. That's a black ant. The other one was red.
That's wonderful.
Yeah, so I stepped on it and got my shoe all wet.
So
there's my ant. Found you, you little bastard. I see you. No, I don't want you. You go away. Go away. What? Don't make me sick. Where you going? Come back. I'm gonna read your text.
oh my god.
Just kidding, you psychopath! Obviously, there's something on there you don't want me to see! So Jessica's a whore. Who are you messaging? Huh? Huh?
Robert?
Huh? What? What about? You. You're gross. Jessica's gross. Did anybody else know that Jessica's gross? Because Jessica's gross. Yeah. Serious face. You have to do a serious face.
I can't! I tried, Captain, but I just can't!
God damn it, this ship is gonna sink!
There's this piece of grass right here that's... Pokey, ant! The ant is dead.
So, here's some news I just found out. Jessica talks to pigeons.
I really like pigeons. They tell me their secrets.
Oh, dude, this is you and the pigeon. How was your day? Dude, I found a bag of chips. I was so excited. We're walking to Perrinville. For you guys who aren't cool and don't live in Edmonds, obviously, it's a little marketplace that sells ice cream.
Now we want ice cream.
And we want ice cream, so we're
I
walking.
just need sugar in my veins, you know?
Yeah. I hate the sun. I miss winter so much. It burns. That's all I have to say. I don't